How to do SEO for your Shopify website. SEO, search engine optimization, for a Shopify website involves optimizing different elements to improve ranking on search engine page results. Here are 12 of the most important steps on how to do SEO for a Shopify website. Number 1, keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of SEO and a powerful process for your business. Identify page-relevant keywords for each page of your store. Choose one main target keyword and several similar keywords. Focus on good search volume, low competition keywords initially. Use a tool like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is not as specific on data as I would like, but it is a free option. Number 2, optimize your page URL, title, and metadata. Use your main keyword in the page URL. Shopify calls it the URL handle. Also include it in the meta title and page title. For the meta description, write a persuasive description that entices users to click through. This is what appears in search results. 3, header tags. For header tags, use your main keyword in the H1, and if possible, use similar keywords in H2 and H3 tags, etc. Make sure every page only has one H1 tag. H2, H3, H4 tags are more commonly used on content pages, but you can put them on every page. Number 4, optimize images. Optimize every image in your store. Use high-quality original images. Keep the image file size as low as possible. There are many free tools for this. tinyjpeg.com is one of them. Use similar keywords in the file name. For image alt text, describe the image and use keywords if possible. And try to have multiple photos for each product. Number 5, create quality content. You want to have content on every page of your store. A minimum of 200 words is good, and over 500 is even better. And double of a competitor's page word count is even better. This includes collection descriptions, product descriptions, blocks of content, even on your homepage. I like to use frequently asked question blocks, and you can get questions right from Google or Keyword Research or Neil Patel's AnswerThePublic.com. You can start with AI, but rewrite it to be unique and integrate the similar keywords in that page naturally. Number 6, build backlinks. Build backlinks from high authority and relevant websites. Backlinks are a link from an outside website to yours. This increases your authority and ranking ability. You can do this many ways, including guest blogging, outreach, partnerships, writing great content, creating link bait, broken link analysis, and much more. Number 7, create a Shopify blog. A blog in your store is an opportunity to build authority, get organic backlinks, and get more traffic through engaging longer form content. It's also a place to target keywords that are related to your product or industry, but you weren't able to target them on other pages. It's also a place to target keywords that are related to your products or industry, but you weren't able to target them on other pages. Number 8, optimize site speed. Make sure your Shopify store pages load quickly. Shopify created a fast platform, and it's up to us not to slow it down. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix to identify and fix issues slowing down your site. The most common culprits are images and videos that are not optimized. Keep the page load speed time under 3 seconds, which is good. Under 2 is great, and close to 1 is outstanding. Number 9, optimize for mobile. Over 75% of Shopify orders are through mobile devices, so it's crucial to have a mobile responsive design. What does that mean? It means that your desktop store needs to look good on mobile. View your store on mobile devices and go to your theme admin to fix any issues. 10. Add internal and external links. Make sure each page links to one or more other pages in your store, and each page links to at least one high-authority, non-competition external website. 11. Add reviews. Add customer reviews and ratings to your store. There are many apps out there for this. This helps your social proof, it's good for SEO, and reviews show in search results. Number 12. Add video to pages. This is optional, but video improves customer experience, increases conversions, and increases search engine rankings. Also, your videos can appear in video search results. And if you use YouTube video, Google really likes that. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your Shopify website for search engines and improve its visibility, driving more organic traffic and potential customers to your Shopify store. If you want to see this and much more step by step in detail, please check out my course, the Shopify SEO 30-Day Academy. See you in the next video.